double agent. Oh, hell yeah, brother. Dope. Go ahead. Yo, this SP is... Look at that chain. Ew. Just chilling there as we got the island of Manhattan unfolding in front of us, with Roosevelt being the topping of this Queens Manhattan sandwich. These folks were just fishing. That's kind of exciting. Have a good one. Oh, thank you. Ladies and gents, welcome to another vlog as we go past this cell tower and we go off this curb here. Boop, boop. Look at this. I love this little corner here. It's kind of a nice little spot. I think I'm gonna take a little picture over here. Kind of moody. It's kind of moody. Over here. I love this little block here. Ignore all the terrible trash. It's a beautiful place. Alright, did a little photo shoot over there. Accomplished a little bit of what I wanted to do. Just a tiny bit, tiny touch. Alright. I don't remember what that vlog was going to be about. Probably about how nice out it is. Got a little bicycle shop. Huh. Let's think. There's another cute little area down there in Greenpoint that I could fuck around with this tripod stuff. Yeah, I'm trying to decide because I'm working on having fun, enjoying myself, and I always shoot in landscape mode, right? But I should really start shooting some stuff in vertical mode if I really want to use this stuff for Instagram and for, for that kind of format. Look at these folks here. A lot of folks. Habanero. That sounds mucho caliente. Bro. Go straight. We are gonna go straight. Don't really feel like hitting that one. Kind of want to hit some secret blocks. People are in t-shirts. Very fucking impressive lady. I guess she's a little warm. It's okay. Kawaii. That was a fun little shoot. I'm gonna put together a little clip of me standing next to garbage. Why not? Could have sworn there was some sort of a point to this video. Perhaps there isn't. Yeah, we're not going that way. Right? We're gonna go this way. Ooh. Yo, this SB is fucked. Look at that chain. Ew. Ew. This thing is gross. Nasty fucking thing. Nasty. Poor thing. That's hilarious though. Try and decide if I want to find a park to finish listening to Harry Potter. I have like 5 minutes left of the Half-Blood Prince, and I totally forgot about the twists and the turns of the book, and I forgot that Dumbledore is a deep cell, is a deep state double agent. Oh hell yeah, brother! Dope. Go ahead. Curious to see. Those guys kind of nodded and looked at me. So I'm trying to decide if those scooter boys are a problem or not. Yeah, see, they're going back. They're literally spinning back. I mean, they're not gonna find me, my brother. You're not gonna get me, my brother. Savages. That was interesting though. I could see how those kids could be hunting for a nice little motorcycle. Why not, right? Push me off the bike, grab the bike, do some woolies. It's all good, right? But we're not gonna do that. We're not doing that. Not today, family. This is gonna be some massive mall, I'm guessing. Look how big this fucking place is gonna be. Holy shit. That is a big boy. That is a massive boy. Kind of was curious to see those scooter boys again, what they're up to. Would love to see them try. Not that they would, but you know, you're good. Don't run. You're totally good. Just want to see if there's any po or any danger. Is there any cameras here? I don't even fucking think so. I think we can probably just go. No scooter. No scooter bros. This is a nice little street. Takes you directly home. Another nice street. I'm gonna go up a little bit here. get to the mess of it, get to the thick of it. Oh, that was the bridge. Go this way. It's a cute little cemetery over here. There we go. If only this bike wasn't so dirty. Ooh, that is a cute Audi right there. I do appreciate it. Bantry Bay Public House. We're gonna be alright. Cute. Look how much salt there still is. It's all in the air. Ooh. Oh, brother. That's right. I forgot about this little turn and why I don't go this way. Silly. Look at all this salt. Gross. Grossness. Not appropriate. Yes, 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 yes. I could have sworn there was a moral to a video, but perhaps there isn't. Perhaps the moral is just New York City being the beast that it is. I think I'm gonna start a whole new vlog and talk to you guys as to why you should get a motorcycle in this town. Reasons to get a motorcycle in New York City. Alright, boys and girls, I will talk to you soon, okay? I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.